Eledumare cover this boy with grace. I wanna run my race and fight my fears like I'm Roman Reigns. I know I'm leading. I need more money. Me don't wanna fall down. I've got the breast, so I need more butter. Cause life is sweeter. Me, I wanna fly in an helicopter so nobody can see me falling. Never.
My bro. Hey guys, welcome back to QWS TV's SBB, and today we are currently going to the Faculty of Basic Medical Science. Yeah, they are currently doing their talent hunt, so we are going to be interviewing some useful, beautiful talents and seeing what they have. So let's go there. Okay, I'm here with the world's biggest rapper, guys. So what's the name?
It's Titan. It's Titan.
Titan, man. So Titan, how far now? How you doing? Let me ask how you doing.
I'm okay. I'm good.
After being evicted, how you doing?
It didn't really affect me because that wasn't my A game. So I know I deserved it. Yeah,
You
I was
deserved it,
expecting.
right?
Yeah, I was expecting
I
it.
said it because guy, you did deliver. I want to die, guy. So, but I'm fun now. So, like, who's your role model? Who's your this rapping industry?
It's Juice WRLD.
Juice WRLD.
Yeah,
If you drop like one bars for us for Juice WRLD.
the Juice WRLD. Okay. Um, she told me put my heart in a bag and nobody gets hurt. And now I'm running for my love. I'm not fast.
Sound like some nasty shit, man.
So I'm making it worse, and now I'm digging up a grave.
Alpha, I'm here with the MC. Alpha, what's your name? Just chipping your name.
All right. They call me I'm MC Mouthpiece, aka the Mic Energy. She gets
The voltage Harry.
normally.
So how far? I used to say you just the ginger this show, you dey give them back to back. So how far now? Just tell me how the show go.
I'm on the show go. Thank God. Now BAMSA 8 week now we dey run. Normally, I just dey run out as a BAMSA. She gets. I just dey say the energy day body, so I just have to give the energy to BAMSA. Shout out to only one big Fino essential. Normally, I see am for your head. I dey see this product everywhere. They trend they fall everywhere.
Man. So can you sing for us right now? Just off the bat, anything to go.
Okay.
So anything you feel like singing.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say.
Nice.
I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets.
I'm here with another contestant that participated, and your name is?
My name is G Morgan,
What department are you from?
medical biochemistry.
Okay, and what did you do for us today?
I just did a cover, a freestyle.
Okay, can you do one for us right now? Like before it starts raining, like just a sharp freestyle.
Baby, you beautiful and sexy. You redolent every time you dey test me. We be like say you con dey back LMS, but I want on knees on your chest. Baby, I know.
Yahoo, 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 yahoo. Elena, Ibaba.
Sharp. Name?
Merit.
Merit. Okay, first of all, do you mind doing a test for the camera? Let me see how beautiful you are. Okay, nice one. So, Merit, how far now? Which department?
Theology.
Oh, nice one. So, they said your voice was bad. Are you?
So I heard too.
Seriously. So, how do you feel now? You're making it to the final or grand finale stage?
Finally. Well, it feels nice though. Yeah, it feels very nice. Like, well, let's just say I'm amazed.
Boss, Alpha. What's the name?
My name is Yajas Turner. Yeah.
Okay.
Department of Anatomy. Yeah. 400 level.
See, boss, you are dripping gold. Can you like chip in like okay the cost of your outfit? Just chip it in. The chain. Start on the chain.
Oh, the chain inside. All right, I got that for like 15. Yeah. 15K.
Oh boy, see my school fees so. Okay. So like the corporate now, like the full corporate.
Okay, the full corporate. I want to like put them together. Let's say the full corporate with the shoes and everything. That's going to like 120, 25, something
Let the poor beast. We must insult you.
like that.
Mad.
I do. What's up?
What's the name?
Banks.
Dang, sharp. Oh, if you see what this guy was presenting, guy, see it was mad. So, Ben, how did you see this? Program?
It was very fun. It's a very mind-opening experience, and I would like to do something like this again
Wow,
for sure.
serious. Okay,
Yes.
but how far? Because the way I saw you presented, it was marvelous. Why did they not nominate you? It is up. I
I
don't
feel like
understand.
I didn't really get up to like what they wanted, and even myself, I felt like I didn't do well enough. So I'll work on my this thing better,
Oh, okay.
definitely.
So, like, who's your best artist now? Like, who are you looking up to? Like, who's your role model in terms of music?
Definitely, Kanye West is like the best in the rap industry and the hip hop game too. So yeah, that's my favorite artist.
Can you drop any Kanye West lines, like any GT ones?
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
just chip it in. Just start.
Let me try and remember. Um, I can't remember anyone right now.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, now, hey guys, you're here with one of the contestants. So, what's your name?
I'm Sam ID.
ID. So, how fun? What were you doing? Were you singing? Were you dancing? Were you rapping?
I presented a freestyle. Yeah,
Okay. So, you are nominated, right?
like
Like, they nominate you for the next stage or so.
no, actually, no.
Do you feel they were biased, the judges?
To some extent, yeah.
Will you shut up your mouth before the Holy Ghost use screwdriver to remove your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I really see this vision as an avenue for me to work hard on my craft and do more.